Hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video I will show you your account will be suspended soon in Instagram. Lot of Instagram user has been reported to mail come from the Instagram team. Your account will be suspended soon in Instagram. Now lot of Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my Instagram account. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this video, I give you some tips and tricks you can easily apply on your account. This way too you can easily reactivate your Instagram account. Lot of Instagram users this type mail come from the Instagram teams. Like your account will be suspended soon in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Now what to do for the fixing this issue? So guys, now first of all, strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. Once the mobile data and Wi-Fi is connected, now open the Safari and Chrome browser. I will open the Chrome browser in my Android phone. Now you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar, search appeal Instagram suspense. Now this topic search after you can see also first one available is Instagram Help Center Facebook. Now please make sure tap on it. Now first one you can see also my Instagram account was deactivated. Now first one option is full name. So guys, please make sure enter your correct full name. Now second one is your email. Third one option is your Instagram username. So guys, please make sure correct username enter in this box. Fourth one option is mobile number, and last one is appeal to your Instagram account suspend from the Instagram. Now write this type of the I give you on my descriptions box. So guys, please make sure copy and paste in this box. Once all the details fill after, you can see also blue icon to send icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. This process done after wait for the 24 hours and 64 hours after you automatically reply come from the Instagram teams. So guys, this way too you can easily recover your Instagram account from the suspend account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.